Angry. Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections, and I'm angry. And the reason why I'm angry is because I'm on a roof in the heat, and it's a new construction house, brand new house. It should be a brand new roof. Why am I having to deal with this? Just why? Just take a look. Look. Now I should be happy because getting on the roof, I was able to get to it through this window instead of getting my heavy ladder out. Now, I always like it when that happens, but why am I seeing all of these nails here, 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 there, 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 there. There's probably more, but you get the idea. So those don't need to be there. They shouldn't be there. Now I'm going to request that be repaired. However, what I believe will happen is that the builder will send somebody out here to remove them and put caulk in place, which is to me unacceptable. At this point, they've damaged the shingles. The shingles should be removed and replaced. I don't know why these nails are there. They shouldn't be there in the first place. But I'm going to recommend that something be done to it because it's definitely wrong. Anyway, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections once again. Hot roof, got to get down. Talk to you later. Bye.